In this video, we'll be completing the hands-on challenge from the unit Create Object Relationships. Let's quickly jump into our hands-on challenge. And let's split our window with Trailhead Playground. Okay. So before starting this challenge, just make sure you have a property object in your objects, as this was a part of our previous unit. So let's make sure we have a property object. Let's click on Object Manager and try to find property. Alright, we do have a property object, so we are good to go. If you do not find a property object, I'll leave a link for the previous unit video in the description below. So make sure you complete creation of property object and then come back to the challenge. Okay, so let's continue with our current challenge. So here we'll be creating a master detailed field on the offer object. So let's quickly jump into our object called offer. So let's find offer and let's get into it and click on fields and relationships and a new field. Okay, and here the data type is master detail. So let's click on master detail relationship and next. So it's related to property. So as I said, do complete the property object creation in the previous unit and click on next. So the field name is property as well. So let's copy paste. Oh, it was done automatically. And click on next, next, next. And finally just say the new, because we have another custom relationship to create. So the next one we have is lookup. So let's click on lookup relationship, click on next. So we are still doing this in the offer object. So do remember that as well. And this one will be related to contact. So just search for it, contact, and click on next. And the field name has been populated. So let's click on next again. And next, next, and then finally save. Okay. So I believe we have done everything required to complete this hands-on challenge. So let's check if you have done everything right. So this challenge has been fairly easy. However, if you do have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them. Voila. Well, thank you for watching. See you in the next challenge. Bye-bye.